You probably already know you need AI chatbots to maximize your website conversions, but might be wondering, how can I get it all set up fast? Today, we are thrilled to introduce our done-for-you generative AI chatbot setup service. Whether you're short on time or aren't really good with all the tech stuff, we've got you covered. With our done-for-you chatbot setup service, our team of experts will handle all of the technical stuff, from programming your chatbot so that it knows your business inside and out to installing them on your website. Simply fill out a form with your business details and leave the driving to us. We'll get your chatbot set up fast so you can keep focused on running your business. Every day you wait to get started with AI chatbots can cost you hundreds, if not thousands, in sales. And our done-for-you chatbot setup service eliminates the biggest obstacles to getting your chatbots up and running fast. You'll also gain peace of mind by knowing that your chatbot is set up in the best possible way by our chatbot experts. Go ahead and click the button to order done-for-you chatbot setup service and we'll get started right away.